Welcome to an exciting voyage into the future of artificial intelligence. As we step into a new era, AI has become an integral part of our lives, rapidly evolving and shaping our future. Today, we'll be journeying through 7 crucial advancements in AI. Natural language processing, computer vision, deep learning, reinforcement learning, AI-driven robotics, automated decision-making, and ethical AI. These breakthroughs are not only revolutionizing technology, but also redefining our understanding of intelligence. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into these fascinating advancements. Firstly, let's explore the strides made in natural language processing. This fascinating realm of AI allows machines to understand, generate, and even communicate in human-like text. It's the technology behind our digital assistants, chatbots, and even some interactive toys. Experts in the field, such as Stanford's Chris Manning, believe NLP is the key to unlocking AI's full potential. As the renowned computer scientist Stuart Russell once said, NLP is the crux of the AI dream. Moving on, we delve into the world of enhanced computer vision. This fascinating field is about enabling machines to interpret visual data, a feat that was once uniquely human. It's revolutionizing industries, from autonomous vehicles detecting obstacles, to medical imaging identifying anomalies, and even security systems recognizing threats. Experts like Andrew Ng, co-founder of Coursera, believe we're just scratching the surface of its potential. In the words of Fei Li, a leading AI expert, vision is the killer app of AI. Next, we venture into the realms of deep learning and reinforcement learning. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, allows computers to learn from vast amounts of data. It's like teaching a child to identify animals. The more examples you show, the better they understand. Similarly, machines through deep learning can recognize patterns and make decisions. Reinforcement learning, on the other hand, is about trial and error. Imagine a video game where the player learns to avoid obstacles and reach the goal. Similarly, machines learn to accomplish complex tasks through continuous learning and adaptation. These technologies are transforming how we interact with machines, from voice assistants that understand our needs to self-driving cars that learn from their environment. Experts like Yoshua Bengio, a leading figure in deep learning, believe that these advancements are just the beginning of what's to come. Andrew Ng, a pioneer in AI, once said, "Just as electricity transformed numerous industries, so will AI." Now let's turn our attention to AI-driven robotics and automated decision-making. Imagine a world where robots not only perform mundane tasks, but also make critical decisions. Yes, we are already living in that world, thanks to advancements in AI-driven robotics and automated decision-making. Robots have moved beyond repetitive tasks and are now capable of performing complex operations, fostering human collaboration, and revolutionizing entire workflows in industries ranging from manufacturing to healthcare. Meanwhile, automated decision-making is transforming the way organizations operate, providing data-driven insights to enhance efficiency, accuracy, and overall outcomes. Leaders in the field, like Dr. Fei Li, co-director of Stanford University's Human-Centered AI Institute, believe that these advancements will usher in a new era of productivity and innovation. And indeed, as famously stated by Elon Musk, AI is going to be extremely important in the future. Lastly, but certainly not least, we tackle the crucial topic of ethical AI. In the rush to advance, it's vital we don't overlook the ethics of AI. After all, AI systems should mirror our values, promote transparency, and foster fairness. As experts like Timnit Gebru, an AI ethics researcher, emphasize, diversity is key. The developers behind AI need to represent the spectrum of those affected by it. It's about ensuring responsibility in development and deployment. As Timnit Gebru rightly said, the people developing AI should be as diverse as the people affected by it. As we conclude our journey into the future of AI, let's remember the strides in NLP, computer vision, deep learning, reinforcement learning, AI robotics, automated decision-making, and ethical AI. The future holds more exploration. Remember, in the realm of AI, the future is not something to be predicted. It's something to be achieved. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. We love to hear your opinion. Until we meet again, Future Eye explorers, stay curious.